Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss here with another video. So it's another new development, another commercial development, another plaza that seems as if they're gonna have a rooftop entertainment section. This development is moving so fast. I remember the first time I came here a few months ago, they were doing foundation. Didn't get a chance to come back. And look where we are. I'll put the link for the very first video I did in the comments. I'll also put the link for my new channel. I'm a realtor. I know I keep saying that because I want all you guys to go over. I'll post property for sale and rent on that channel. So I'm a realtor, so I have a channel for that. It's Jamaica Properties for Sale with Rush. You may not find it by searching, so I'll put the link so you guys can find it. And I know that from time to time you guys may have a property selling or renting or want to buy or want to rent. You can always give me a buzz, or you can, if you know someone renting, buying or selling, you can always share my information with them, whether they're living in Jamaica or not, or whether they're buying in Jamaica or not. I still can handle those transactions. So thanks for clicking on this video. We're just gonna do a quick drone fly around, a quick drone video of this development so you guys can see what's happening. There seems to be a billboard. I'm gonna get some information from the billboard as well for you guys. They seem to have a picture of the completed complex on it, so you guys stay tuned for that, along with some drone clips. And again, I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments, all the shares, all the, what else, comment, like, and the subscription. Yeah, appreciate it. So we're on Lady Musgrave Road, Kingston, checking out this commercial development. Alright, so stay tuned guys.